Sunny day.
Rainy day.
Windy day. Cloudy day.
Read aloud.
Forest. Waterfall. Hill. River.
Lake. This is a hill. There are houses on the hill. This is a forest. There are animals in the forest.